Welcome to day 9 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. If you've been following along from the beginning, then well done to you guys, because we are 3/4 of the way through now. If you have only just found us, then welcome. Do check out the link to the full playlist of all the 12 days of Tai Chi sessions. They're going through each of the Yang 24 steps, which are popular stances and movements in Tai Chi, but also give us a nice way to get our body moving in gentle, low impact exercise. So Tai Chi for health, fitness and well-being, and just keep us active as we age. Today's session, we have just one movement which we're concentrating on, and it's called Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. Our footwork, very much like a lot of our other stances, is a heel toe, transferring the weight into our bow stance. So we're just going to practice that first of all. So weight on our supporting leg. Remember again your posture, and I'm going to do it to the corner, heel, and then toe and into our bow stance. We're going to rock back, and let's do that again. So tapping in, heel, and then toe down and transfer into our bow stance. And let's try it on the other side. Heel out, then toe down and transfer the weight. Remember that turn of the waist into your bow stance. So we're going to alternate this movement today. So let's just practice the transition from one side to the next. So we're heel out, toe down, transfer the body weight. We're going to rock back. We're going to step onto this foot and tap in. Heel out, toe down, transfer the weight. And then we're going to rock back and step to the side and tap in. So you're trying to keep it nice and smooth, and if you can, stay on one level with your knee bend, and that way it's like we are gliding across the floor. Let's practice the arms. So we start holding our ball. We're going to bring this hand up, travelling up the midline, and make both our hands into fists as we do so. This top hand's going to drop down to the hip, and the other hand's going to come up and over and punch out. So it's coming up and over, make your fists and punch out. From here, we're going to block the sun, and then we're going to push through. So soft elbow, we don't want it locked out, keep the shoulder relaxed. So from here, block the sun and push through. Let's try those two parts from the other side. So bringing the hands up, make your fists and punch out. Let's try that again, holding the ball. Make your fists, punch out. Put a hand on the hip. Alright, looking at where we're punching. From here, block the sun, using the turn of the waist to power this pushing arm through. So one hand slightly higher than the other here. Let's try that again. So part 2, push. Let's do that all from the beginning. So on side 1. Slowly merge it into one. And let's try it on the other side. And let's add arms and legs together. So we heel out, little tiny pause here, highlight this movement, the strength, we're looking at where we're punching. Lock the sun, and then we've got the waist here to push through with a turn into our bow stance. We're rocking back, going to step to the side and bring the hands to hold the ball. We're ready to do it on the other side. So heel out, block the sun, push through, rock back, step to the side, hold the ball, heel out, push through. Let's do one more on each side. That was a short and sweet session today, so I'll see you here for day 10.